Hello K-friends, welcome back to my channel. Recently, a viewer requested a low-carb kimbap recipe. Low-carb kimbap is a type of kimbap that contains pretty low carb. That's why it is often called a diet kimbap or keto kimbap. Would you like to make it together? Slice the carrot thinly. If it's difficult to slice with a knife, you can also use a vegetable slicer. I've already sliced the carrot thinly with a vegetable slicer. Slice the cucumber thinly. Do not use the seed part that produces a lot of water. Instead of throwing away, you can eat it later. Slice the red cabbage thinly for color and nutrition. If you don't have a red cabbage, you can use regular cabbage. Thinly slice the lettuce as well. I used the butterhead lettuce today, but you can use romaine lettuce too. Now we have prepared very fresh and beautiful vegetables. Crack 6 eggs into a bowl. Add 2 pinches of salt. Sprinkle a bit of pepper. Mix well. Coat the pan with a little oil and spread it evenly with a kitchen towel. Add a little of the egg mixture and cook it slowly over low heat. When the egg is cooked halfway, flip it with a spatula. If you don't have a square pan, you can use a round one. Once the egg is cooked, put it on a plate and let it cool. Repeat with the remaining egg mixture. Add about half a tablespoon of oil to the pan and cook the crab sticks over medium heat until heated. Flip it once in the middle. The crab sticks are already seasoned and delicious, but you can also use chicken breast or shrimp instead. This is a seaweed paper for kimbap. It's slightly thicker and less likely to tear than regular seaweed paper. Instead of rice, we will use the egg. Put the egg on the seaweed paper. Add a sliced lettuce. Put the crab sticks. And put the red cabbage. Finally, add a little cucumber. Roll it up tightly, making sure to include all of the ingredients, just like making kimbap. You need to do this process well so that the ingredients don't come out and are cut well when making kimbap. If you apply water or rice grains at the end, it sticks well. Spread some sesame oil over the rolled kimbap. Let me cut it. Wow, the color is really pretty. Let me try it.
The taste is so crunchy and light.
The crunchy texture of the completely savory and fresh vegetables is work of art. How was today's recipe? If you think the video was useful, please hit the like and subscription button. I will see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.